Worried about payment errors or security warnings on your supplement store? Many sellers don't realize that a simple misstep in linking their merchant account can put transactions at risk. This quick check confirms the checkout connection is secure, even if a full padlock isn't displayed in the address bar. It ensures payments are encrypted, protects your customers, and helps prevent common merchant account errors. Connecting your merchant account to your store safely is crucial, especially for high-risk products like supplements. EasyPay Direct ensures your account is linked securely, all transactions are encrypted, and everything stays PCI compliant. Here's something from the FAQ. Using a dedicated nutraceutical merchant account helps your supplement business accept payments safely, avoid freezes or declines, and maintain a stable checkout experience for your customers. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can get your merchant account connected securely without worrying about errors or security warnings. Keeping your payments safe doesn't have to be complicated. With EasyPay Direct, your supplement store stays secure and your transactions run smoothly. Check the link in the description to get started today.